Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find a missing folder pane in Outlook 365. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your web browser. This will take you directly to the web version of Outlook where you can access all your emails and folders. Once you enter the URL, the page will begin loading your inbox and all associated folders. Once your email has fully loaded and you can see your inbox on the screen, you're ready to locate that missing folder pane. The folder pane is essential because it displays all your email folders on the left side of your screen, making it easy to navigate between different folders, subfolders, and categories. Without it, managing your emails becomes much more difficult. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. This is your main navigation bar that contains all the key features and settings for Outlook. From here, look for and click on the View tab. This tab controls how your Outlook interface is displayed and gives you access to various layout options. Clicking on View is crucial because it houses all the settings related to what elements appear on your screen. Once your View tab has opened, you'll see several display options available. Look for and click on the Folder pane drop-down menu. This specific setting controls the visibility and behavior of your folder list. When you click on it, you'll notice the menu expands to show you different configuration options for how your folders are displayed. From the drop-down that appears, hover your cursor over the Folder List option. The menu will expand further, revealing two additional choices. These options determine whether your folder pane is visible or hidden. If your folder pane is currently missing, make sure to click on the Show option. You'll know the folder pane is now activated when you see a green check mark next to the Show option, indicating that this feature is turned on and your folders should now be visible on the left side of your screen. And that's it. Your missing folder pane should now be back where it belongs, making it easy to navigate through all your email folders again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.